What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video, and today I want to show you this really cool underwater blueprint. Now as you can see, this is running in Unreal Engine 5.1 and it looks absolutely amazing. So this blueprint is made by Karin Abo Shosha. Hopefully I'm spelling that correctly, but the thing is that he's a senior lighting artist at Ubisoft Montreal, so definitely a pro over here at the industry. So basically he went ahead and published this amazing underwater blueprint for Unreal Engine in Gumroad, so it's totally free. Now of course you know how Gumroad works, you can tip him a bit to support him, but yeah, in general this pack is totally free. So I mean it just looks amazing. You can see the quality and all of this, the volumetrics, the fog, the quality of everything. It just looks absolutely amazing, like a AAA game. Like all what you see in here is basically the demo scene, so it literally comes with all this coral and fishes and turtles and you know, algae and all this amazing stuff, but of course the important thing here is actually the post-processing effects and the fog and the lighting itself on the water. So let's go ahead and take a look, because we can heavily customize this as we want. But first, check out the link in the description to get awesome Unreal Engine courses on WinFox. So for example, let's go ahead and select the underwater blueprint over here. Now this actor is what brings everything to life. Literally, if I were to hide this and go into lit, you will see that this is everything. I mean, you know, like the lighting and everything is just controlled by the underwater blueprint. So it's as easy as just going ahead and dragging it and dropping it into your scene, and then deleting all of the other lights that you may have, and there we go, it's up to working and running. So let's go ahead and just show you a bit how you can customize real quick this plugin over here. Well, this blueprint, I keep saying plugin, but you know, you understand me. So for example, we can just start out by, you know, changing the light intensity to make it a bit brighter. So definitely there's a lot of parameters here to customize your scene and your environment to match your game perfectly. For example, we can, you know, toggle in volumetric shadows and increase the volume light, and you can see how the surface kind of changes over here. Now a big change over here is the fog distance. If we were to increase this, you can see as we can view more in the distance, but when we decrease this, instantly the environment just gets a bit more foggy, and it's like if the water was more dense or we are, you know, more meters below the surface. So definitely you can play with the settings to get it how you want your environment to look. Now of course we have a bunch more of parameters. Of course I'm not gonna cover everything. This is just a quick video to showcase Karin's work and how you can go ahead and download it. But yeah, we have more settings. For example, post process, we can increase the blur so we can kind of make it a bit more realistic, as you know, we're underwater and we have our eyes open and we kind of really see. Now for this pack, I do recommend increasing a bit of the water blur, because if we have a low value, you can see that it looks a bit too vibrant, kind of. You kind of know what I mean. So I think it's good for this asset and to just put a bit even of blur. It just makes it look a bit better. Of course you can change the tint if you want to have, like, I don't know, maybe a green underwater scene or a purple underwater scene, I don't know, whatever you want. You can also change the temperature. Now this is a game changer. For example, as we increase it, you can see it's like more warmer, and it is maybe from the waters of the Caribbean Sea, or maybe we can go ahead and decrease this, and then it's, well, not so much, there we go, just a bit, and it's more of a, I don't know, the in the north, maybe in the Antarctica, I don't know, man. This is just basically changing things to make it look how you want. And of course don't set this to 0, because if not it will be extremely bright. Now of course you can change the exposure to make it more bright itself, or decrease this. You can play with all these settings. So yeah, of course it comes with incredible particles, so you can see to add into the environment, with corals, with little rocks, with fish. I think they're Niagara particles, so systems, right? So you can just drag the fish into the environment, and there we go, plug and play pretty much. They have a turtle here, of course it doesn't move, but it still looks absolutely amazing. And then you even have like some algae, I don't know how really you say it in English, but yeah, you can start painting them in your scene and have more of a, I don't know, some nautical feel into it. Like you can heavily customize this, and I mean this looks absolutely amazing, like if it was a AAA game. So yeah guys, I will be linking the asset in the description, so if you want to get it, go ahead. I will also be linking Kareem's ArtStation, just in case you want to go ahead and check out all his other work and stuff, not only the underwater blueprint but all the things that he has made. And yeah, if you found the tutorial or the video useful, I would really appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials out there, so if you want to go ahead and check them out. And now yes, with all that said, bye bye.